Hey Dev League, are you ready to start our first challenge? I've got a brief from the folks over at Gear Up with all the information we're going to need, so I'm here to deliver it. Challenge number 1 is going to be our Brainstorming and Wireframing challenge. Your task as a team is to come up with a challenge or problem in your community, which can be helped or addressed through a mobile application that you will be developing over the course of this year. For this challenge, you will brainstorm that idea, and with it, create a wireframe to map out your plans for your application. During the brainstorming phase, you'll come up with the key idea and answer important questions, such as, what challenge or problems does that app solve? Who is the user? What do you know about the user, and where can you learn more? What details or components should the app include? An important thing to remember while brainstorming and developing your idea is that you have a limited amount of time for development, so it will be crucial to keep your ideas dialed in and achievable. Your GIMM devs will be there throughout this process to make sure your ideas aren't too broad or vague, and that they're also reasonable and accomplishable. After you verify with your coaches that your ideas are fitting and achievable, your team will need to create a wireframe or prototype of your app. This will act as a roadmap of design and functionality that will help your team gain a collective vision of your end product. Us here at GIMM have made plenty of tutorials to help you guys out with this process. We have a brainstorming tutorial for you all to get started with, and we'll have other supplementary materials, such as a tutorial on how to ask us questions, as well as some wireframing tutorials with an example, and technical knowledge on how to use the wireframing applications that are provided to you. Your team will need 3 key elements to your submission. First is a write-up, a 1 to 2 page reflection describing the problem your team decided to design your app around. There are 3 pieces of criteria this will be judged on. They're as follows. Your reflection provides an overview of the problem and why the team chose to develop an app that focuses on that problem. Your reflection includes a short description of the research, which is the reading, interviews, surveys, etc., the team performed to learn more about the problem. The reflection should include a short description of the app and how the team intends to create it and how it will be beneficial to the team's community. And the reflection needs to be formatted and presented in a professional format. It needs to be easy to understand and has been checked for errors. The second element is a short 2 to 5 minute reflection video describing your team's process through the challenge. The judgment criteria are: the video provides an overview of what the team learned as they worked through the challenge. The video provides an overview of the steps the team took to work through the challenge. The video provides viewers with insight on the barriers the team faced working through the challenge and how they worked to overcome them. And the video will tell viewers what part of the challenge or overall project the students are most excited about. The last piece of the challenge is your actual wireframes, completed in either Keynote or Adobe XD. The wireframe is thoughtfully designed in a way that will give users an idea of how the app will work and what it is intended to do. Your team must meet with your GIMM coaches at least twice during this challenge. The dates for this challenge are October 11th to November 15th. We will be here every step of the way to help out you students, so no need to let this overwhelm you. We're excited to see your ideas, and we're looking forward to working with you guys. Good luck!